Karong adlaw birthday sa among pinanggang amahan o kinakusgang amahan.
Hi Tatay Simo, happy birthday. Tay, narang imong apo tay nga paras nimo og ilog. Mama, love you.
Happy birthday, Tay! And I'm gonna wish Tay is stay healthy and strong, and of course, ay mga kagwapo, no? Mga Orags family is gwapo gina. Hey! So, Tay, more birthdays to come, and I hope ma-enjoy, maka-join ni pohon sa imuha diha. And, amping ka kanunay diha, Tay, uban nilang Tito Jose. Bye-bye, Tay! Amping permi, Tay! I love you! See you soon! Bye!
Bye!
Happy birthday, Tay Tay!
Happy birthday, Tatay! Kumusta, Tatay? Ato sa Panglao, Daghan Bajin, ato sa Maxcow. Tagay ta, Tatay!
Hello, Tatay Simo! Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Tatay Simo! We love you, Tatay!
Happy birthday, Lolo Simo! Stay healthy and stay safe po. We love you! Happy birthday, Lolo Simo!
I love you, Lo. Ingat ka lagi.
Stay safe and stay healthy always, Lolo. I love you!
Manginatunta ko na tagaan ka pa ni Lord ng dami-dami pang birthday mag-abot sa kabuhi matay. Tagaan ka pa ng maayong panglawas. Pasensya ka na tayo, nasa malayo kami. Taghang nahitabo sa kabuhi ko. Sige lang, laban lang hanggang kaya ko. Gimingaw na ko ni mo tayo. Ulitin ko, happy birthday tayo. Love you, miss you. Sana soon magkita-kita at kapon diya. Kaloy ang Ginoo, kaloyan ko sino tayo. Na maayo ko sa akong sakit direng giantos, hindi lang na Ginoo. Survive gihapon. Salamat sa tanan tatay. Amping ang da permi. Mahal ka namin tanan.
Happy birthday sa among amahan na pinangga. More blessed and birthdays to come, Tay. Amping diha kanunay. Kanta na lang na kanako, Tay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay. Enjoy ra sa imong adlaw, Tay, ha. God bless.
Hi, Tay. Happy birthday. We wish you nothing but the best in life. That you will enjoy your big day, which is today. More blessings in life. And that God will continue to bless you, to provide you with good health, and that we hope, we wish, and we pray that He will provide, or He will grant that you will experience more birthdays. And again, thank you for all the memories that we had together, from us, from Papa, Myra Flor, Sol, and Maricel. Thank you, and that we will never forget those memories that we experienced, that we share and bond. And once again, we hope to see you soon, and happy birthday. Goodbye, and see you.
Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Pilisimo.
Happy birthday, Tay. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tay. Amping Kadiha from Leyte. Kupa.
Tay, happy birthday. Nahinat mo ta nga katakan ka og may panglawas ni Lord nga ang imong katuigan nga mutaas pa unta nga mabot ka 100 edad after mutaas pa gayud mga ang pangalan sa Ginoo nimo Tay. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tay.
Happy birthday, Tay.
See you soon. Bye.
Thank you.
Hi, Lolo! Happy birthday po!
Ay, Lolo. Pagkamping ka nun ay happy birthday po.
Tay, happy birthday, Tay. Amping ka kanunay. Sunod, magkita-kita tatapuhon din ha. Happy birthday, Tay. Happy birthday, Tatay.
Ay.